Welcome to my channel Analytics with AK. And today we will discuss about fundamental concept of Power BI and Power BI interface. What is dataset? It's a collection of data which you connect to or import from data sources. This data could be placed in a single database or may come from disparate source systems. There is a Fields section in the Power BI desktop which shows all the available datasets. What is reports? One or more pages of visualizations are referred to as reports. In Power BI desktop, you can see tabs in the bottom while viewing a report. You can add new tabs to the report. You can also delete, rename, or duplicate the report pages. What is visualization? Visualization is visual insights of data can be viewed using various built-in functionalities. What is dashboards? In the Power BI terminology, dashboards are created from a subset of the dataset and are customized as per the business requirement. What is parameter? Power BI facilitates easy parameter creation to be used as data sources. These parameters can also replace rows/values functions. Parameters are managed using the Manage Parameter button. What is custom visual? The community creates custom visuals which are accessible to all. These visuals can be imported into your Power BI desktop after you have downloaded them from the visual gallery. What is DAX? The functions used in Excel are like DAX functions, though DAX offers much more functionality. To show a very simple use of DAX, let us create a new measure for today's date. The measure can be defined as today's date equals today. Here, today, is a DAX function which when processed, resolves to the current date. What is drill? To edit drill down, hierarchical data visuals can be used. To change the visual, enable the drill down. Using this feature, you can perform a granular level analysis on the same chart. What is interactions? In Power BI, you format to the default interaction behavior. The default behavior includes filter, cross-highlight, or ignore changes to other visual. This setting can be enabled from the Format menu by clicking the Edit Interaction button. What is fields? Fields in Power BI shows you data sources, columns, measures, and calculated columns which are used in visuals, filters, and many more. What is report view? In Power BI desktop, one of the three views is a report view. It is the creation of a view where you can see the data, drag it to the visuals on the canvas and create a visual which best fits. What is data view? The data view is the data modeling view in Power BI. It allows you to visualize the data after it has been modeled. You can switch between the views to ensure you are selecting the best visual for the right type of data. What is relationship view? In Power BI, you can use the relationship view to show all the relationships tables and columns. It is a graphical display which provides a better understanding of the relationship. What is column? Columns are evaluated for each row in a table. They are also known as calculated columns and get saved into the data model. You can use columns when you want to apply DAX functions into each row in a table. What is measures? Measures are created when you create a visual in Power BI and create aggregation on data using average, sum, etc. Since they are evaluated at the visual level, they are not saved into the data model. Now let's take a look on Power BI interface. This is a start page. It's a central location from which you can connect to different data sources, sign into your account, and so on. Next is Navigator window. It displays information about a data source/S that you are connected to. Left pane displays the name of the dataset and the tables in that dataset. Preview area. You can use the preview area to review the fields and the rows of the data contained in the selected tables. Report view. You can use the report area to build a view, like ribbon, visualizations, fields, canvas, pages. Data view. The data window shows the structure of data in each table. Modeling ribbon, formula bar, grid, search bar, fields list. Relationship view. Relationship window displays all the tables, columns, and their relationships.